This is the update on the loft. All the birds are doing good. The hand-raised bird. We have eggs in the bottom hole. The babies are in here. They're getting big. There's one single baby in here. He's so aggressive. He's a big bird because the other egg went bad, so he was the only one getting fed the whole time. It's gonna have white flights on both wings. It's a big bird. He has a super long neck. Don't know what that means. Let's put him back. We have youngster. That's another youngster. And let's see if I can find him. He might be outside in the trap. Him. He's another youngster. Those four, they're really nice. I like how they are. They've been flying around the loft. I'm about to let them out. I'll have a video on that probably in a week and a half. But yeah, that's the update.